So hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Flipkart package. This contains Casio Youth digital watch, and I've bought this watch for 1240 rupees during a sale. So let's just quickly unbox it. Okay, the first impression I get from this box is this very cool looking box. You know, this blue, as it's a youth series, it's look very youthful, and this blue is very sky blue is very clean. I can say that. And if I remove that, okay, bottom part, it's very tight. Ah, oh my god. Okay, so the bottom part, does it get removed easily, or it doesn't remove at all? Okay, so this is the watch itself. uh, let's just put it aside, and this user manual is a very thick user manual, and 2 year warranty, terms and conditions, membership, extended, get 6 month extended warranty on registration online. Okay, this is really helpful, I think, not like other user manuals. This warranty card right here, and this is that user manual. Okay, also you can see here that the MRP price here is 2595, but I've already told you that I've bought this for 1240 rupees, which is around 16 to $17. Okay, so here's the watch. Okay, I'm gonna say it again that I really like the packaging. But let's move on. This is, let's remove it. I really like that sound here. Okay, the dial is not that big. Uh, in person, it is not really that big. It is wide, and it got that octagonal shape, and the strap is very okay quality, and I don't think it will last forever. It is very light. It is around, like I've seen in other videos, it is around 28 grams of weight. uh, it says Casio AE1200WH stainless steel, back water resistant, 10 bar. 10 bar is 100 meters. So for all those swimmers, it is useful watch, and made in China, as 90% of world is, it is made in China. Okay, the strap is very, I can, it's not gonna last very long, let's be honest here. And you can change it. You can use green ones, and there are a lot of other type of. I'm gonna swap this. I think I'm gonna swap this with this one. This is a fast track watch, and another Casio watch. So I'm thinking of swapping this with this leather strap and put a chain. Let's talk about the watch itself. On the left corner, you can see the circular dial here, which imitates analog watch. As you can see here, the second hand is going here. Okay, and the top right corner here, it is for it shows it is a type of notification area. It shows your alarms. You can set five alarms at a time, and it's written world time over here. So world time is uh, here. It is a time zone world time. You can set your time zone here. Okay, right here you can see the world map. It is a time zone thing. It is not that useful, I think. I don't know if it is useful for you. And right here it is written 10 meter, that is 10 bar. And just below the world map, you can set the day. Here it is written Saturday, but today is not Saturday. I don't know how to set this watch, but let's see where it goes. And the second hand, and okay, on the top left corner it has a circular dial type thing which imitates a analog watch. On the tap on the top right corner, it is a notification area where you can see your alarms, and below that it is a world map, which is, I don't think it is that useful, but you can set your time zone, and below that uh, your time itself and a day, which day is today, Saturday. I have not set this watch yet, but today is not Saturday, I can tell you that much. And on the bottom here it is written illuminator. So let's illuminate this thing. Okay, for 1.5 seconds. It glows for 1.5 seconds hardly. And let me switch off the lights completely. This is daytime, and I cannot shed light completely, so this is it is a orange light, I think. In other YouTube channel they were saying that it illuminates for 3 seconds, but as you can see it does not. 1.5 hardly. If you use this regularly, it's gonna last hardly 1 year, I think, but you can change it whenever you want. So it also says Casio right here, and the thing hanging from here, this is 10-year battery life. You guys, you with your Casio watch, you can also extend your warranty period up to 6 months more, and you'll get this thing with your Casio box. This QR code, if you scan this, you'll get 6 months of extended warranty.